In this episode, Oracle Enterprise Linux comes to Sparc, Ubuntu 11 Alpha, and Flash Player 10.2 for Linux. You're listening to Linux News Log, separating the Linux and open source signal from the noise, a proud member of techpodcasts.com. Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm your host Adrian, coming to you almost live from lovely Phoenix, Arizona, here in Studio C1 over at QuickSurf Internet Services. Linux News Log is a proud member of the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech, it's here. Do feel free to head on over to techpodcasts.com and check out all the other technology-related shows over there. Let's go ahead and get into the stories for Season 11, Episode 16. From PC World, Ellison has announced that Oracle Enterprise Linux is coming to Sparc. Oracle will port its Enterprise Linux distribution to Sun's Sparc processor, a move that could help it compete better against IBM and Hewlett-Packard in the high-end server business. See, now I always wondered why they bought Sun, and it's not so much because they want their software, it's because they want their hardware most likely. Very interesting. Well, besides Java, but that's another thing altogether. CEO Larry Ellison made the disclosure in response to a question about Oracle's Linux strategy at the company's Sparc systems launch last Thursday. We think Sparc will become clearly the best chip for running Oracle software. At that point, we'd be nuts not to move Oracle Enterprise Linux there. We're a ways away, but I think that's definitely going to happen, Ellison said. So We'll see how it goes. I'd be curious to see how it goes myself. From Information Week, Ubuntu 11 Natty Narwhal Alpha has been released. The Ubuntu team unveiled the first alpha version of Ubuntu 11.04 dubbed Natty Narwhal Alpha 1. So go check it out and let me know what you think. From MarketWire, over at MarketWire.com, the Linux Foundation has a new member. Huawei has joined the Linux Foundation. Huawei is a leader in providing next-generation telecommunications network solutions for operators around the world. So by all means, go check it out. From EDN.com, Mentor Graphics acquires open source developer. Mentor Graphics has added to its suite of tools for embedded software development with the acquisition of certain assets of Code Sorcery, Inc., a provider of open source GNU-based tool chains and services for advanced systems development, founded in 1997. So they've been around for a while. Pretty neat stuff. Check it out. From OSnews.com, Flash Player 10.2 beta delivers hardware acceleration on Linux. This sweet smell of competition is lingering in the air. That sweet smell which indicates that somewhere in the vicinity a company is working on actually improving a product so we can all benefit. This time around it's Adobe delivering the first Flash 10.2 beta. Prime feature: complete hardware acceleration of the entire video pipeline, fully cross-platform, cross-form factor. Yeah, that's awesome. There are a couple of catches. I'm not going to go into all the details, so go check the story out. But that's huge news. It's good stuff. That'll pretty much do it for this edition of Linux News Log. As always, I thank you for watching and listening. We're got a slightly short show this week. It's been a little light on the news. We've here in the U.S. there's been a lot of holiday, Thanksgiving, and that sort of thing going on. So it's not been real heavy on the news. But I figured I'd talk about what has happened. And with that, I will see all of you on the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, as well as visit us on the web, linux.quicksurf.com, and I'll see you all then. Bye.